Hi, I'm Leow, Danny Leow. I'm the CEO of LEBLANC. LEBLANC is a company that specializes in producing green technologies. We have products ranging from household use to industry use. Our companies currently have recruited 500 certified engineers and scientists to ensure our companies are on the forefront of the market. Why green technologies? Because the world is in crisis and the trash levels are rising greatly. Moreover, people are littering everywhere. Oi! Oi! Oh, what a chase that was. Like I said, why our companies focus on green technologies is because we want to reduce the negative impacts on the environment as efficient as possible. That's why our company's gonna introduce you our latest products, the Trashulator. No, not this one, this one.
Ah, the Trashulator. One of the best recycle bins money can buy. A revolutionary product in the recycle bin industry. Our Trashulator is equipped with state-of-the-art technology which focuses on easing life of its users in segregating recyclable waste. It has a cuboid shape and consists of 4 separate storages which can contain normal waste, paper, aluminium as well as glass materials. And there are 2 types of storages, namely 1. the normal waste and 2. the recyclable waste. It also has a hydraulic system integrated into its circuits which compresses waste when it reaches a certain level in order to increase efficiency of storage capacity. And this is powered by solar energy, thus reducing total energy consumption. It is able to be installed in cities and malls alike. Now, how does the Trashulator work? It has 2 different compartments. One would be the normal waste compartment as well as the recyclable waste compartment, and thus they have 2 different holes to place trash. The normal waste compartment just has a hole where you can put normal waste such as food waste or used drinks or other type of urban waste. For the second hole, there's a tray placed on top of it. In order for it to work, you have to place a certain type of recyclable material. For example, our Trashulator is able to detect paper, aluminium as glass material. However, one of its shortcomings is it's only able to detect 1 at a time. Thus, users have to put 1 at a time. After the certain type of recyclable material has been placed inside, the lid has to be closed in order for the sensors to work. The sensor used for the recyclable waste box is known as a capacitive sensor. When the lid is closed, the capacitive sensors will detect the type of recyclable waste by detecting the difference in voltages as well as capacitance. For the hydraulic system, there's an ultrasonic sensor placed on the lid. It will then detect the level of waste in each bin. When the level of waste has reached a certain point, it will send a signal to its circuit in order to start the hydraulic system, which will then compress the waste and thus provide much more space in the waste bin. For clearing the bin in the Trashulator, the person in charge just needs to use a key to unlock the door and remove the bin that is full of waste material. Then, a new eco-friendly plastic bag will replace the currently filled one inside the Trashulator. Moreover, new bins will be replaced once a week as the old bin will be sent for cleaning.
Now that Nick has informed you of our Trashulator, allow me to show you how it's actually made.
First of all, the Trashulator is made out of stainless steel. After considering our material options, we felt that stainless steel is the most suitable material for the Trashulator. It is strong and weather resistant. This ensures that the Trashulator can be used throughout the year with little to no issues. 4 ordinary bins can be inserted into the Trashulator for easy replacement. Our factory will manufacture the bin where the battery, solar panel and the hydraulics will be installed. Before shipment, the Trashulator will undergo a few inspection tests to see if they meet our working requirement.
The Trashulator is one sturdy smart bin, right? Now let us move on and see what our clients have to say.
Oh, when I had the old trash, a normal trash can, it was such a huge hassle for me to separate all the trash myself, because I usually my trash includes glasses, bottles, boxes, and food. But with the new Trashulator, I don't have to separate for me since it does separation. And so it's very convenient and so easy to use. I totally recommend people to use it. Oh, hi sir. How do you like the Trashulator?
Oh, Trashulator very good. Last time, no Trashulator. Oh, I carry at time. My back very pain. Now go gym, also not pain already. Very good. You should buy, guys. Very good. I like.
As you guys have heard, our Trashulator is an amazing product. It runs on solar energy and it do waste separation automatically, and most importantly, it is user-friendly. You will make the right choice in getting our Trashulator. And one last thing, it's not that hard to save the environment. So please throw your rubbish into our Trashulator and you can make a huge difference. Thank you! I'm Liu, Danny Liu. Of course, I'm the CEO of LEBLANC. Wait, what did I say again? I am the CEO of LEBLANC. LEBLANC is a company that specialize in Sure. Our company is it's on the fourth market. There. Why green technologies? Because and peoples are littering everywhere.